Hi there, students. Zap. To zap as a verb. Or a zap. This is a word with many different usages. This is very informal. I think to zap, to get rid of something, to kill something intentionally. So I've got this electric fly swat that zaps the flies. We are going to zap the competition with our new plan. We're going to zap our competitors and beat them. Okay, let's see. Zap. Zap is like a sound made when there's a release of electricity. A zap, an electric shock. I received a zap of static electricity. You could zap something in the microwave. Zap it in the microwave for about 30 seconds and then it'll be soft and you can use it. To zap. Using the remote control. I know a lot. I know people who use the word the zapper, the remote control for the television set. To zap, to strike something with electricity or energy. I zapped him with my ray gun. Yeah, the alien zapped the people into oblivion. To zap, to kill, to eliminate. To damage with a static charge. Something has zapped the processor of my mobile phone. To zap in a microwave oven. If it's not hot in the middle, zap it some more in the microwave. To delete electronic files, just zap these files and they're gone. Okay, so to zap. Also, there's one other that I've not heard before. To participate in a zap protest. This is to protest against a public demonstration, to embarrass a public figure. This is a modern form of political activism. It's to allow public demonstration to embarrass somebody who's done something wrong, but someone famous, particularly a politician. So to zap with your energy beam, to zap with your supernatural powers, to zap with your ray gun, to zap with radiation. Okay, to zap in the microwave. They zapped my luggage when I went into the airport. They zapped my luggage with x-rays at the checkpoint. To transport in science fiction from one place to another. Zap. Beam me up, Scotty. Zap. And the person has moved. To zap, to kill or destroy. This huge meteorite hit the earth and zapped the dinosaurs. To zap, to completely destroy or obliterate. The fire zapped nearly all of the building. To zap, to move quickly. He zapped into the office to say hi to me and then he left again. To use the remote control to change channels. Zap. Yeah. To zap from one channel to another. Zap. An interjection. Suddenly something happens. Batman punches him and zap, he's gone. Okay, so notice this word zap. It's got a huge load of different meanings. Something that's zappy as an adjective, very rapidly, energetic, fast. He's a very zappy character who's always talking and telling jokes. It's a zappy little car that's very good to get around in the city. The film had very zappy dialogue. Okay, full of energy, full of life. Pass me the zapper so that I can zap the channels on the TV. So zap, destroy, obliterate. The artillery zapped the enemy before they could attack us. To zap, to move very rapidly. The cars were zapping past us. Okay, a sudden event that has a strong effect. Yeah, a zap of static electricity. Yeah, the aliens zapped people from their spaceship. I'm going to reheat my coffee by zapping it in the microwave. I zap through the channels before falling asleep. Okay, so this zap, it's got all sorts of things: to move with speed and force, to move rapidly. Okay, so the plants were zapped by the cold weather. The flowers of the apple tree were zapped by a late frost. So zap, to zap something, to kill, to destroy with a gun, or you zap them in a computer game. The guard zapped him with a stun gun. I'm going to use this disinfectant to zap any microbes that are on the surface. Zapping through the different channels, seeing if you can find something interesting to watch. To zap a computer file, to delete it from the memory or from the screen. Okay, so this zap word, woof, a million different meanings. Formality, to informality. You could use it informally. I don't think I would write this. Well, maybe I might write it in a very formal email or something like that. Yeah, so she's full of zap. I really like that. You need to put a little bit more zap into your performance. I'm going to zap into town and buy a few things and come back. I like to zap the channels to see what I can see. Okay, so the cars were zapping fast. I've got to find a way to zap these mosquitoes before they start biting me. I received a zap of radiation. Be careful, the witch will zap you into a frog. Yeah, zap from Harry Potter's wand. Okay, so notice you can use this for all sorts of things. As to the origin, I think this first appeared in the 1920s. Yeah, it's got this sound of electricity, and I think that's where it comes from. So, zap.